the #1 platform helping buyers across the Caribbean import pros. Today, we're diving into the truth about insurance claim cars, when to buy, and honestly, when to run. So you can avoid costly mistakes, saving money, and import with confidence. Dive in. Firstly, we got this 2019 Audi A6 Prestige coming from Geico, right? Certificate of title salvage, nice red Audi. What's going on with it? It is front end, as you can see. Looking at this, you can see from the grill sides, possibly bumped into a truck or another vehicle. Is it bad? No. Airbags didn't deploy, so that means it didn't touch any critical points on the front side. Reinforcement bar, you could see that this was pushed back with the axe, but really not bad. Is this a good insurance buy? I would say yes. Secondly, you got a 2019 Nissan Sentra S State Farm Insurance. Of course, you get MV9070A, 7A salvage certificate. Not bad. Of course, color coded in green. It's black. You got two passengers doors out, so this definitely needs to change. That definitely needs to change. Airbags out. I'm surprised the glass didn't break there. Doesn't look bad. Still looks clean. You possibly need two airbag replaced, reprogrammed, and good to go. Is this a good buy? Yes, I would say it's a good buy. 73,000 miles. Very good insurance clean buy. Thirdly, you have this 2016 Hyundai Tucson Limited by USAA. Now, look at it. Well, you can see the check engine light there, and you have this huge damage in the front here. Definitely not good. This would be one vehicle here that we would say is a bad buy. Yes, it is insured. It is green, which is good, meaning that not staged at one, but at the same time, the type of damage, does it make physical sense, financial sense to purchase this type of vehicle? Of course, as we usually say, if you have a good friend that'll get it fixed, then good. But looking at this thing, top radiator support, the hood is gone. You need to change that. Headlight, 2-to-1, this headlight is bad. Usually people look at this and be like, yeah, it's good, but then usually the plastic in the back is actually broken, so it still needs to be changed. And then again, if you get a new one, this will look off. You just get both of them. The bumper needs to be changed. The grill, you need an X grill. Reinforcement possibly may need to be changed. I could see the sponge there that is still there, which might actually be still good. And then of course you have the radiator that would need to be changed, and also the condenser that need to be changed, also inclusive of the fender on the side. So a lot of parts need to move. Airbags deployed, that would need to be changed. You also do have a check engine light, which is a huge red flag. So look at this thing. Top radiator support definitely needs to change. AC condenser, radiator needs to change. You don't have any boosters on this one, so that's one last headache. Possibly the engine got hit. As you can see, it's very tight. Plastic definitely needs to change. Air filter needs to be changed. Yeah. This is what we would consider something. Yeah, it is from insurance, but it is something that would possibly be a very big headache. That would be a no-no. Fourthly, we have this 2019 Nissan Murano S class. It is from insurance, certificate of title salvage, not bad, which it is green. However, for the vehicle itself, 59,000 miles. Look at this thing. Front end gone. The hood needs to change. You need the reinforcement bar. You need the radiator support. You need two headlights. Let's check this fender out. Check engine light is there. By the looks of the tires, well, the fender needs to be changed. Let's see. Passenger fender is still good gradually. Driver side fender needs to be changed. Looking at the tires, axle possibly the lower control arm needs to be changed. As you can see, one tire is straight, the other tire is looking left. But yes, that would need to be changed. The radiator, the condenser. Yeah, this it is insurance. However, again, if you do have good friends that does body work, then yes, it can be lenient. But if not, then this is something. It is insurance. However, it could be a very big job. So at Bid Caribbean, we've made this platform simple. You can avoid costly mistakes and bid with confidence. If you ever get stuck or want a second opinion, our team is here to help you in real time while you bid. All you have to do on the platform is click here and you have direct access to full assistant, or you can actually add your number. Therefore, you can get a quick call as to what you want and what you need at the same time. Register for free and join our community, ask questions, learn from others, and become a smarter importer. In other words, DIY, do it yourself. And if you want more content, hit the subscribe button, click